want to show you everything the annotation menu has to offer. So I've opened up a empty project, and let's for instance take this tile about compensation. We'll explore it. Sure, it's about compensation or salary. We'll right click it, and here we have the annotation menu. So the annotation menu offers you a lot of options, and today we want to explain what everything is. So the first thing you will probably notice is that the top phrase here, compensation, is also here. So if you are unable to read it here, you can always read it here. I can add a new label. In this case, I will add salary, and you will see that it has been colored. So now, if I right click on the menu, you see that there is salary as well. If I want to add another one, for instance here, training, you can see that I have now two options. I can add as many labels as I want. If I want to remove an annotation, I can simply right click it and then it will remove it. If I want to delete the cluster, I can completely remove it, and there's a little bit more information about that in the how-to about the classify button, the magic button, which allows you to restore something you have deleted as well. So please check out that one if you're looking for more on that functionality. So after you have added a label, you can see immediately that the classify button has become red, so you can in theory click classify in order to project everything you have added to your data set. So let's explore the options you have here. If you want to work really quickly and add a lot of examples quickly, you can use this plus button. If I click it, you can see that my mouse arrow now is a plus instead of a pointer, and you see that everything I hover over is indicating subtly that I can color this. So if I want to add financial stability, if I want to do this one, if I want to do salary growth, you can see I can really quickly add a lot of data tiles to this particular topic. So this is the plus button. I can also do this automatically. So if I click on the lightning rod here, it will use some magic to color more tiles. So let's see what happens if I click on it. We just have to wait a little bit, indicated by this, and you can see that it will automatically color a lot of things more for me. Sometimes you would agree, sometimes you won't. Just quickly browse through it and see, well, for instance, this one I do not want to be added, but the other ones, let's keep them for now. That's the lightning rod. I can also rename the label. So if I click on edit, I can change the name of salary to something else, and I can also remove it completely. So if I remove this label, it will completely disappear. So let's click on classify, give it a bit of time, and we're back. So now it has been colored not in a very balanced way, but let's ignore that. Let's ignore it for now. So for instance, if I right click and I click on remove the label, it will warn me that everything will be removed, and if I click OK, you can see that everything will be turned to gray. It's still here, but after I press the refresh button, you will see that. If you have any questions, please let us know.